Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Please be safe and stay healthy. Welcome back to my channel Happy Soul, Happy Life. We all love to have a very healthy and tasty food, right? Every day. Whatever the food you are cooking, the basic things are, we need good spices and the salt for the taste, right? But is the salt, whatever we are consuming, is it good for our health? This is the question everybody should ask themselves. I will be sharing the good benefits of the salt, what is to be consumed or what we should avoid. Before we talk about the product, if you are watching my videos for the first time, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, please hit the bell icon for more updates on my videos. So coming to the topic, we love to have the very tasty food that comes only with the spices and the salt, right? So we have, in India, especially the region, we have a salt called Himalayan pink salt. We also call it as a rock salt. But many of us, we use this white salt, which is completely polished. So I will be sharing today the benefits of this rock salt. This looks like a pinkish. This comes in the solid form and also the powder form. Even nowadays, many of us are seeing this kind of a lamps which are made up with the rock salt, which is very very good. I'll also share the benefits. Today, why I'm talking about the benefits of rock salt is, this has so many useful benefits, can be used for our body, inside the health and outside, for your hair, for your skin, for your feet, for manicure, pedicures. Even you can use it as a scrub. Also, in our olden traditions, lot of our grandparents used to suggest, use this rock salt while you're taking bath. Add just 1 spoon of it and take bath, which will cleanses your body. And also they say, it removes a lot of negative energy from your body. And a couple of places we also heard that, it cleanses your body and gives that aura texture on your body. So I will share, each and every benefit, how it is very good. I'll be sharing today, why it is useful when you consume it inside. This can be used in all kind of recipes when you are cooking. What we use every day is called table salt, which looks completely white because it is completely bleached and polished. At the same time, any salt will have iodine, a lot of trace minerals. But the table salt, what we are using on a daily basis, which is available with the reasonable prices, when you consume it inside, the body cannot digest it and cannot absorb the trace minerals. Whereas, this Himalayan salt, it's based in the origin from Pakistan and Punjab places we get it. But the good benefits is it has more than 80 plus trace minerals available in this salt, which is very very essential for our body. This again have the minerals like sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium. Lot of minerals will be stored inside this pink rock salt, so which is very very good for our body. Basically, what benefits you get when you consume this is, it lowers your blood sugar levels. Also very good if somebody has a body pains, or because of its calcium, it also helps the bone strength. Basically supports your respiratory system and lung functioning. Also, if somebody is having lot of cramps, for the legs and hands, for the body also, it relieves the problem. It also help if somebody has any sleeping disorders, this is a very good, even this lamp also you can keep into the room so that it refreshes the room. Also, gives the positive environment, so that the sleep will not be get disturbed. The other thing is, it maintains your pH balance. It also works like an antioxidant and removes lot of bacteria from your body. Detoxifies lot of impurities and also the metals, because we are consuming lot of foods, which are chemically processed, and Even the non-vegetarian food like sea fish and all, when we consume it, lot of impurities will go inside. Those are all the things will be removed through this rock salt when you consume it. And it is not only for the health, this as you are seeing this lamp here, this lamp also nowadays, many people are using it because this gives the lot of calming effect, and at the same time, it works like a air purifier and removes lot of negative vibes. We are using a lot of mobiles, laptops all the time in our hands, and working more than 9 to 10 hours, working in front of the systems. This will neutralizes that electromagnetic radiations. That is the reason it is best to keep next to your wherever the place you are sleeping, so that it removes a lot of toxins and also the radiations. Any allergies, breathing issues, also it purifies the air, so that the asthma or any kind of allergies will be removed when this consumption of rock salt inside, and also when you use this kind of lamps next to you if somebody is not able to breathe properly in the nights. You can use this as a body scrub and face scrub also. This also can be used for your feet, because when you add a little pinch of salt in the warm water and keep your legs, this is lot of toxins will be removed. At the same time, your manicure pedicure will be done for your hands and also the feet. Even lot of spas, when you go, they use this rock salt for your skin. This basically removes lot of impurities and the dead skin from your face and the body. At the same time, when you do the scrubbing with the rock salt, you have a very clean and very smooth texture on your skin. The other good benefit about rock salt is it maintains your pH balances in your body, which is very very important. Even for hair also, a lot of products we see rock salt will be added because it removes dandruff, also maintains the scalp health. So we have seen right now, we discuss so many things, right? It is very good for health, for a body, externally applying, for the face, body, feet, as a scrub, as an air purifier, many many benefits are there. Other thing is, the table salt, which we are buying regularly is just for per kg, we are buying it for 10, 15 to 20 rupees. But whereas when we compare, rock salt will be costing around 80 to 90 rupees. But we should understand the value of the goodness of this uses of this rock salt in a long term, how many benefits we are getting it. So I really love to use this product. At the same time, I want to share this information so that a lot of people will get benefited. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon.